This is Cowboy B from Wet Jet Performance. We got the giveaway spark here at Wet Jet Performance that we're going to turn into a nasty, mean machine. But right now, we got to put the awesome Seadek traction mats on here from SC Wake. And as you see, the footwells are dirty, so what we're going to do is spray some alcohol in here. Get them all clean. And then we'll wipe them down. We want the surface as clean as possible. That way we get the best adhesion from the traction mats that we can get so they last a long time. So this one's been outside, been in a little bit of the elements. When we picked it up from the owner, we're gonna make it as good as new. This spark is gonna make somebody a happy customer when they win this from the giveaway from buying our merch or just entering the raffle. So make sure we get all the dirt out. Get the surface very clean. We'll do one more pass. Some of these stains you're gonna get out on mine, but on new machines, it's very easy to clean. This one is as good as it's gonna get. So let's get to doing this footwell. All right, we decided to go with the ruby red to bring out the red in the wrap. So we didn't want too much green on here. Plus we're gonna go with a custom stealth black seat, the comfort seat that goes on here. So we wanted to break it up, show some contrast so you don't have to be matchy all the time. So all you gotta do is peel your Seadek mat off, peel the backing off. This stuff sticks really, really good. Take your backing, peel it all the way off. What I do, some people peel a little bit at a time, but I do it often so I know exactly where they need to go. So you pull it all the way up to the front. Make sure you cover all your gnarls because that's what you're trying to cover up. All the bumpy areas. So you get that down, stick it here. Get your pattern down, lay it right over all of it, sticks right down, no problem at all. We got traction. Down hard, and we're on to the next one. We're gonna, same thing. Peel this off. Lined up. Good to go. Mash it all down, put pressure on all the points. Simple as that. One footwell is done. Now we're going to move to the back where the triangles are. Hit that with a little alcohol, clean it up. Same process, peel and stick. All right, you just peel and stick the back piece. So you can save your knees. Line everything up. Go ahead and stick it down. So you repeat the same process on that side and you're done. So I'll show you the end process of what the SC Wake mats look like all put together. All right, we're all done. Show you the end results of the SC weight traction mats. It's installed all the way. This took really about 20 minutes of work, and ours was dirty. So yours will be a lot easier when it's new. So this has been another awesome DIY from Wet Jet Performance and Cowboy B. We're bringing you the hottest parts in the PWC industry. Keep tuning in for this giveaway ski and see how it turns out. I think you guys are gonna like it a lot. Peace.